Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is She Africa and Rumkunda Africa. That means I am the daughter of Africa. So today guys, I am at the farm and as you can see there are some chickens everywhere. So I want to select chickens. We came here so that we can get chickens to eat at my place. So let's select chickens together. Huh? Asin select Jambega. Which one is big? Hmm? So this farmer is doing chicken farming, as you can see. This is poultry farming, and the farmer is saying he has 15,000 here. And the other side, that one is empty now.